official. It's your boy, Chip McLickoroy. How y'all doing? Get ready to go walk up Stone Mountain. It's a little nippy out here today. You see all the layers I got on. Got my color, everything like that. Hold me down, y'all. Pray for your boy. Be back. It's Chip. Whew. All right. We're at the bottom of the mountain, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see what's up there. I might put some gloves. It's a little nippy out here. Hold this camera up there. Sky ride at the top of the mountain's closed. Let's see what we got going on here, right? Let's see. We'll get past it. It looks like it's gonna be a little wet up here. I see some water on the ground. Put my gloves. I need a little sip of water from that last little walk in there. Let me see. My water thing going there. Pardon me. I have a drink. Y'all can look around while I have a little drink of water. Water. Get the other glove. Let's see what this is gonna look like. Right, y'all. Made it back down the mountain. Not ready to finish this trail off yet. I'm gonna have to look at my trusty map, see what other adventures I can find right real quick. It's your boy Chip. You know how we do. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, follow. Almost done. You know what I'm gonna do? Walking is fun. And I walked up, down, around the mountain. I think I'm gonna go kayaking too. Stone Mountain Park has a nice lake. And I got my kayak with me. So hopefully, let me see if I can beat the sunlight. Your boy Chip. You know how we do. Hopefully, I can beat it. Beat that sunlight. Oh yeah, I can do it, y'all. Wish me luck. I gotta get there and get to the car. Oh yeah, I can see it. We'll go kayak. Your boy Chip. Alright, let me go change into my kayak gear, y'all. I'll be right back. You see the kayak over there on top of the car. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. Just finished hiking. Sun's still good. Alright. Good exercise. Water's looking good. Working my way down. Oh yeah. Oh, he got the whole chair. Oh, you serious, huh? Nice. Yeah. Nice. Alright. Let's see, we got people going out with us. All good. Water's looking good. Let's go, y'all. Right from hiking up the mountain, hitting that water. It's your boy Chip. Holla. Chip. Oh, yeah, y'all. People camping out there. Just in the light. this heart of mine. Oh, it's so dry. It doesn't realize what it's doing. Oh, oh. I walk up the line.